So here on this steep embankment, we have one of our showiest native flowering shrubs. Well, many of our shrubs are flowering, but they are not all flowering so that you would notice the flowers. And of the ones with showy flowers, this is probably the showiest. And this is the red flowering currant, Ribes sanguineum. Ribes is the Latin for the currant and gooseberry genus. Sanguineum means bloody and refers to the red color of the flowers. They are not always this bright red, although many of the wild ones are. The wild ones are actually usually more vibrant in their color than the cultivated ones. And yes, this is commonly cultivated as a garden ornamental in areas that have a sufficiently maritime climate, similar to the climate we have here on the west coast of North America. And in fact, they were appreciated for their beauty in Europe before they were appreciated for their beauty here in North America. And they only made it back to our gardens after they were growing in the gardens of Europe for a while. It's sort of a shame, but oftentimes people don't appreciate the beauty that's in their own. And look at that. Here we have this species pollinator. It is a rufous hummingbird that is going to town on the nectar in these flowers. Beautiful little jewel-like bird. And yes, that is why the flowers are red on this plant, is that birds can see red. Birds, like humans, have cones as well as rods in their eyes. And we have red, green, and blue sensitive cones. Birds have red, green, and blue sensitive cones as well, and they also have a fourth kind of cone that can see ultraviolet, which we can't. And insects also have ultraviolet sensitive cones, but they do not have red sensitive cones. So as far as insects are concerned, these are rather drab, undistinctive flowers that really they can't tell the difference between that and green. Insects are effectively red-green colorblind. So the fact that a plant has vibrant red or orange flowers is usually a dead giveaway that, like this plant, it is a bird-pollinated flower. Well, that's all I have for you today for this plant, so happy exploring.